All Terrell ISD students are required to have an official school ID. To show us how to use them, we have asked our friend Big Red for help. Students will receive IDs with their photo, name, and unique barcode. Be sure to keep your ID safe, either around your neck, on your backpack, or in your wallet. Some campuses, like the high school, will expect you to have your ID card on you at all times. Students can scan on and off the bus to ensure safety and security. Don't forget to buckle up. Contact your campus front office for more information about student ID cards. Thanks for all your help, Big Red.